All right, so here's our bean, and you can kind of look at it. And right here is usually where it comes out. And this actually, when we open it, you'll see it a little further. This is actually called the embryo or the young plant. This part actually grows into the root. And then when we open it, you'll see the part that actually grows into the leaves. So let me see, you gotta be very gentle. I'm gonna it's breaking a little bit. There's this piece, there we go. On the outside, that's called the coat. And the coat is something that's around, there's the embryo, you see it? So it kind of fell apart, but this is the part that turns into the roots, and it's actually attached to this part right here. Do you see that? That turns into the leaves. So it broke, but that's what that does, okay? And then do you see this part? I'm gonna peel it out. This is the seed coat. Let me put this away. Oh my goodness. This is the seed coat. This part that's around the outside, okay? And then this part right here is called the cotyledon. Cotyledon. Let me think. The two halves of the seeds are the cotyledon. The two cotyledons and is called a dicote. Corn has one dicotyledon and is a monocote. The cotyledon is part of the seed that stores the food for the young plant. So this is the part that stores the food for the young plant. Make sense? Okay. So they need all of these different parts in order to reproduce. So the coat protects it. This is the plant food. This is the roots, and this is the actual leaves. And then this together is what you need to grow. Make sense? All right, so what you're gonna do now is I'm going to post this, and then you are going to answer the focus question, which is, how much water does a seed soak up? So we know that it started out at 11 grams, and then we ended at, I believe it was 25, but let me double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So you're gonna have to figure out the difference. And the difference of that, so it started at 11 grams, it ended at 25 grams. So the difference of that is how much water, how many grams of water the seed soaked up. So I want you guys to try to figure that out. Do the math, okay? You're gonna start with the bigger number and take away the smaller number. And from then, you're going to figure out how many grams it soaked up. All right, bye.